I'm so excited. We are in Fairfield, and I'm with Anand Patel from Visit Fairfield, and we are going to show you quite a town. I'm Pat Pattison, and I love California. Back at the Jelly Belly factory with my good friend John Jameson. And John, thanks for having us back.
Oh, it seems like it was just yesterday that you were here.
Yesterday.
You never age.
Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh, I love this guy. So you're going to show us the new museum.
Yes.
And we're going to do the chocolate and wine pairing.
But we're also going to do the train ride today.
Train ride. They
Don't
got
forget the train.
So much happens when you go away. Well, let's go check it out. And how long has the factory been in this location?
So the factory's been here since 1986.
86.
But the visitor center was first built in 1999.
So is it safe to say this is the factory that Ronald Reagan built?
Well, Ronald Reagan certainly got.
I mean, that would be the 80s.
Yeah, the 80s,
the early 80s. Yeah.
So we were in Oakland from 1922 until 1986 when we built this facility.
Okay.
So here's our museum.
Wow, so nice.
Look at that.
I love these giant beans. Now, pop quiz. What flavor is that one?
That one's juicy pear and green apple, strawberry cheesecake, toasted marshmallow, very cherry, mango. I mean, they're unlimited.
Wow. And there's an olive?
No,
is that like an olive?
You just need to put your glasses down. That's a bean in front of the other bean.
Oh my God, look at that. Maybe I want a martini. This is the family.
Yeah, so throughout we talk about the history of the family starting in 1869 through today.
Okay.
And we also show the evolution of candy making from more of a hand crank way of making candy to more automation. So let's check that out. So here's an example of a cooling table and also some different equipment. Okay. And so candy would be fed through the equipment and it would create different types of candies.
So, John, I remember referring to the tumblers.
The pans.
Pans.
Yes.
Tumbling the beans as kind of looking like a cement mixer. What's the deal?
Well, when our owner first needed a pan, he didn't have the money, he didn't have the pan, so he actually had a cement mixer.
Wow.
And these had built adobe bricks for the family for our house. From there, then we got new pans.
Right. So this is the actual
This is the actual one.
Oh my God.
This is the actual one.
Tell us the importance of Ronald Reagan and the history of Jelly Belly.
So we started sending Governor Reagan at the time back in the 60s. We were sending him our jelly beans. These were our gourmet jelly beans, but they weren't quite yet a Jelly Belly.
Okay.
So then when he was running for president first in 1976, that's exactly the year that we invented Jelly Belly. So we switched him over from our gourmet jelly beans to Jelly Belly, and he just loved it. And of course, when he became then the president of the United States, he asked for a red, white, and blue mix. And we didn't have the blue, but we made blueberry.
Right.
We had the blue from the flag, and we made a red, white, and blue mix that we passed out to many of his VIPs on Inauguration Day.
And when he was the president, they were on Air Force One.
They were everywhere. On Marine One, there's a little holder that was built so his jar of jelly beans could go, Jelly Belly could go right in there.
When we think of Jelly Belly, we think of jelly beans, but they also make chocolate here at the Visitor Center, and they have a chocolate and wine experience. John, tell us what we're going to do here.
So what we're going to do today is I'm going to set up your pairings for 6 wines. We're going to have 6 wines.
Okay.
They're going to be paired with 6 chocolates. So that's the experience. And then when the guests do purchase the experience, they also get to take home a Jelly Belly wine glass.
Got to have a Jelly Belly wine glass. And is it true that these are mostly local wines?
These are all local wines.
All local.
Everything is estate grown in the Sassoon Valley.
Wow.
We paired this with a dark chocolate truffle, dark chocolate, corn syrup, butter, and cream are the 4 secret ingredients.
Oh, that's great. That's really good.
Now the last one is going to be served in a chocolate shot glass. Oh, that's a classic dessert wine.
Oh my gosh, it's good.
Cheers, you guys. John, I'm jelly-bellied up. This is incredible. Thank you so much for
Thanks for
all
joining
of
us.
it. All of it.
We appreciate it.
That's so great. So when you're in Fairfield, Jelly Belly Factory Tour, chocolate and wine experience, the museum. So much to do here in Fairfield. Our first food adventure here in Fairfield, Village 360. Great complex out in the middle of wine country. Beautiful, beautiful place. Coffee, nice restaurant, The Landing, little fun out back with John, and food. This is a great place to start your wine tasting here in the Sassoon Valley. A lot of baked goods. You can even bring the puppies for the dog treats. Village 360, check it out. I'm Pat Pattison, and I love California.